Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new project named as Card Rumble. Most people only start paying attention to a project after it's already everywhere, but sometimes you came across something early, before the hype, before the attention, and that's exactly what I found recently. I found Card Rumble. I will share the details with you, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you can get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review about this project. This video is just for informational purpose. This is not a financial advice, and like any early stage project, there are a risk involved. Always do your own research too. Right now the market is in that phase where people are constantly searching for the next thing, especially project that combine AI, gaming, and a meme culture. So because we have already seen how powerful that combination can be, but the problem is most people of them are either just hype or just a token with no real product behind it, and that's where this one caught my attention. So I got into a Cart Rumble. So the project is called Cart Rumble, and the idea is actually pretty simple. It is an AI powered racing game built around meme character like Dodge, Sheba, and Peppy, Flocky, even Dog with a hat. So yeah, it leans into the meme culture, but it's trying to combine that with an actual playable game concept, and it's currently in pre-sale, so still very early. So you can see it is in stage 2 and 57.65%, sorry, 37.65% is raised. You can see raise this stage is 79,055. Next price you can see will be 0.004, and the current price is 0.0035. You can easily be able to buy it with the BNB, BTC, and anyone you want. You have to basically buy that token. You have to pay with it the USDT, and if you want to buy with 10 USDT, or you can get 2,857 amount of RBT from here. So this is here that you can see you can even buy with the Solana and Coinbase and USDC. Everyone, you can see this is not just a meme game, it's an AI powered gold mine. You can see this is the Tech Israel. The timing is now. You can see the racing game. You can even go and check it out about their official trailer. I will show you the trailer powered by Cart Rumble. You can see you thought it was just another meme coin. So you can see, and they have details, and it's currently in the pre-sale, so still very early. You can go and check it out. They have the racers, and you can see you can see Dodge, Shiba, Pappy, Floki, and even Dog with hat. You can see they have all that from here. You can see a system that learns from every race, every corner you take. You can see their video. I'll give that link about the video too in my video description. You can select that details from here, and you can go on the track. All that is given. So it's about that. So I will just go back to the project details and share it with you about the project. So it's in currently at that down game now. The interesting part is not just the game, it what's behind it, something called Rebel AI. So you can see the AI powered meme kart racer, the other talk AI we put our on track. You can see they built meme racer to prove their AI is not just hype. Most crypto project drop a white paper, spin up Telegram group, and start making noise. Cart Rumble is not teaser on or trailer, it's working game built to prove their tech actually works. So and it's what's behind something called Rumble AI. This is basically the system powering game. Instead of normal bots or NPCs, the AI actually adapts how you play. It adjusts difficulties and make races feel different over time. So it's not just static gameplay, it evolves. And what stood out to me is that the team positioning this AI is something bigger than just a one game. So the core of the ecosystem is given. This is not a game logic, it's an AI infrastructure behind everything they build, and Cart Rumble is just the first test. You can see Rumble AI is their house adaptive intelligence engine developing. You can see most projects sell the idea of utility, they are building the tech and the stack behind it. So you can see the features. They have Rumble AI oven in-house, a custom AI where you can see the option of yield and other. They have the powered by Ethereum, built to scale. They have run on Ethereum, the most secure and trusted chain in crypto, and they also built by the community, driven by AI. They have also by spreading the rubble. You can go and check it out and check details by your own. It is not a financial advice at all. Potentially something that cloud be used in other games or even licensed or out later. And honestly, that's not something you usually see in the meme style project. They have no critical issues. They have fully secure contracts and investor ready. The smart contract which is given, you can even go and check it there. Video report, audit report, Cyberscope. I will share with you their report too. But before that, I want to share with you the website details. The card rumble is something different from something very interesting. So you can see they have YouTubers, and they have given the details. The video card rumble and the influencers are also going on it. All right, you can see. So this is the home page. You can already see the meme style designs and the whole racing concept, and you can scroll. You can find the section explaining the game idea, the AI system, and how ecosystem works. And you can see how can actually you can go for RBT, and you can see this is where things get interesting. You can see the pre-sale. So right now the project is in pre-sale phase, which is basically means early access before public launch. And the way it is structured is price increase over time. Early participant get lower entry. So it's one of the those steps where the earlier you look into, the better positioning can be. But again, it's early, so that comes with the risk too. So do your own research. Another thinking, the note, the project has already raised 150k plus. You can see, you can calculate a lot that with it, and which is not massive, but for an early stage product, it shows there is initial interest. And some you can go for their official rewards and mandatory, which is given here. So I will just open that. You can see program the raise to the real earnings, and you can go for it. It combines a combination go up to around 50% the running rewards. And but it does show they are trying to push growth, community involvement. And let's quick check out their basically audit report which is going on here. You can see 81% low risk. They have also the white paper. You can go and read the problems and solution, their details. You can even go and check out their Telegram and also the Twitter. You can see they are active posting updates and building community. Telegram especially is useful to see real-time activity, and this is something I always recommend checking before looking deeper into any project. Why it stand out now compared to the most project, this is one of the bit easier, and because it's not just complicated, it's tied to a simple game idea. And at least you can see they have the direction, they have the concept here, and they're an attempt of actual utility instead of just token but high balance view. You can see, and least capital, this is still early stage and still being developed, not fully built yet. And so this is not something you blindly jump into. You have to do your own research and decide for yourself. If you want to check it out for yourself, I will leave the link in the description. Definitely one of these products that worth looking at early, especially if you are exploring AI gaming space. And yeah, let me know what you think about it in my comment area. Thank you so much for watching.